What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. It's good. We're still mining Ethereum as of right now, but I keep getting the question, is it too late to start mining, GPU mining specifically? And I find it funny that it's like these guys that always ask this question are the ones that are always waiting. They're waiting to get into it. And like I tell everybody, it's never too late to start GPU mining, but it may be too late to start Ethereum mining if you want to like gain a substantial amount of Ethereum, because Ethereum is going proof of stake. All you OGs and guys that have been around a while, I'm literally preaching to the choir. You already know what's going on. Some people think there's going to be a delay and we'll be able to mine Ethereum for more months and more months. I'd say it's probably unlikely. I mean, if it happens, it happens, but it's looking like it's probably going to merge and Ethereum is going to go proof of stake here in about 18 days, and there's not much that the actual GPU miners can do about it. It is what it is. So if you want to buy a GPU specifically to mine Ethereum, the boat is literally fueling up at the dock right now and about to set sail in like less than a month. So just take that into account. Now, if you want to get into GPU mining as like a whole spectrum, there are plenty of other coins that you can try. Some of them may be profitable, some of them may not be profitable, but right now nobody knows what's going to happen to the profitability exactly after Ethereum goes proof of stake, because all of the other coins and networks combined still don't add up to the amount of power, hash power, GPUs, ASICs that are on Ethereum right now. So when Ethereum goes proof of stake and all that power comes off, it is going to cripple and bring some of these networks down to their knees. Now it may actually help some of them, may help, you know, drive some money, but I was listening to a pretty smart guy earlier, and he told me that hash power follows money. Money does not follow hash power. And I thought about that, and I'm like, wow, that actually is like, if a coin spikes up and it's like super profitable, people jump on it. People don't jump on an unprofitable coin and throw a bunch of hash power at it hoping that the price is going to go up, at least not traditionally. Now there is a thing called like speculative mining. Speculative, man, it's super late right now and I can't even talk. There is speculative, oh my, I can't even talk. Speculative. Anyway, there's spec mining. And spec mining is mining something at a lower value, hoping that you can stack up quite a bit of it, and then the price will surge up. But I don't know anybody that bases their entire farm off spec mining. It's not viable, because there's a lot of losers and there's not a lot of winners. So just take that into account. But anyway, we're getting way off topic here. Is it too late to start mining? Never too late to start mining. Come join us, ladies and gentlemen. Come join the family of GPU miners. If you want to see a bunch of solid blokes and mates and gentlemen and gentlewomen, there's gentlewomen too. All you got to do is look down below in the comment section. There's a huge family of people that would love to embrace you and bring you in. And it's gonna be a crazy wild ride coming up. Some people are predicting a big, huge volatility. There's gonna be a lot of volatility, but a lot of people are thinking a lot of stuff's gonna be very profitable, and it's gonna be crazy. So anyway, obviously this is not financial advice. I'm literally a guy inside of a metal building, but yeah, so if you decide to take the plunge and become a GPU miner or an ASIC miner or just a miner in general, coal miner, oil miner, what other kind of miners are there? I guess you can't become a under 18 miner. You just are, or you are not. But anyway, hope y'all have a good night. I'll see you on the next one, and yeah, I need to go. Let's go get a drink. About 2:30 in the morning. Gonna go get me a fresh a Mountain Dew would absolutely hit the spot right now, but I don't think that's in the cards. I think I got a Coca-Cola Classic. Classic. It's a little dark out here. Da, 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 da. Oh, yeah, by the way, the video's over. I'll see y'all on the next one. I appreciate it. Yeah. By the way, if you do start mining, I'd love to hear from you down below. And with that being said, I'm gonna sign off. Bye.